Did you know that you can import data into Sage 50? Customer records, suppliers, norm codes, products, and many different transactions can all be imported using the built-in import wizard. In this demonstration, we have no transactions at all, and not even customers. So I'm going to show you how to import customers and how to import 1,000 transactions very quickly, which include sales, purchase, payments, receipts, and journal transaction types. To start the import wizard, you select File and Import. Yes, to close the screens. If you haven't got a data file prepared already and you don't know how to populate it, we can click on this message here, and Sage has prepared template files for us. So if I open up the customer record template as an example, here if I hover the mouse over the headings, I can see the rules for the data format. The blue headings are mandatory, the yellow are optional. So here we can see that we have a maximum of 8 characters, letters and numbers, and they give an example of an account being chalk 01. I have prepared an import file already, so if I go to my desktop, I can go to my customer records, and here I've got a whole load of different customers ready, so I can close that down now, go back into Sage and continue the wizard. It's very important to do a backup first, of course, because we can't undo this process. So if I press Next and choose Customer Records and Next, and I'll now browse to my file, which is on my desktop, and press Open. Because I'm using the template that Sage have given us, the first row contains the correct headings, so I simply press Next. I can check the mapping is correct, which it is. If your headings are different, you can map them manually and save that for future use, but I'm using the template, so it's very easy. I simply press Next and Import. Sage is now going to go through and import all of the customers for me, so they're here, which is great. I still don't have any transactions in Sage, so I want to import those now. File, Import, follow the wizard. This time I'm going to choose Audit Trail Transactions. I'm going to choose my 1000 Audit Trail Transactions and press Open. Again, I'm using the Sage template, so I can just press Next and Next, and finally Import. Sage is going to read all of my data in 2 lines. The first pass is going to check that everything's formatted correctly and whether the accounts all exist. The second pass is actually bringing the data in. So we'll just wait for that to finish. The import has now been successful. I simply press Close, and in the bottom right hand corner I can see I've now got 1,000 transactions. And if I click on transactions, we can see that all here, all different types, and that's all been imported in just a couple of minutes. If you have any problems, do contact us and we'll be able to help you.